Hello everyone, I am Kiran from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to discuss one of the topic in computer networks, that is OSI model, and this topic was selected from the research paper, that is overview on the 7 layers of computer networks. Let's see the abstract of the OSI model overview. The OSI, that is Open System Interconnection Model, is conceptual framework developed by ISO to standardize communications functions across different systems. The OSI model divides network communication into 7 distinct layers, each responsible for specific tasks ranging from physical data transmission layer 1 to application specific process, that is layer 7. The model enhances compatibility between system support, troubleshooting, and specifies the design of network protocols. Despite evolving networking technology, the OSI model remains a fundamental tool for understanding network interactions. Let's see introduction in the research paper. The OSI model is framework for understanding and standardizing the functions required for network communication, developed in the late 1970s by ISO and CCITT. Now it is under ITU and TS. The model was designed to enable different systems to communicate by breaking down the communication process into 7 distinct layers. These layers help define how data is transmitted from one network device to another, making it easier for vendors and developers to create interoperable systems. Although it was initially meant to replace existing standards, today the OSI model is primarily used as a reference tool for understanding network architecture. Let's see history of the OSI model. The development of the OSI model began in the late 1970s when the International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO, and other organizations worked independently on network communication frameworks. The model drew inspiration from various network systems such as ARPANET and Cyclades. In 1983, ISO and CCITT, now it is ITU-TS, combined their efforts to create unified framework which became the OSI model. The 7-layer design, influenced by the work of Charles Benchman, was officially documented in ISO 7498. Or originally intended to be a universal standard, the OSI model is now primarily used as a conceptual tool for understanding network interactions. Let's see the 7 layers of OSI model. That is, first layer is physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Let's see each layers, overview of the each layers. Physical layer, which defines the electrical and physical specifications of data connection, manages physical connection between devices such as cables, voltage levels, and signal timing. Protocols are Ethernet, USB, Bluetooth, and wireless standards like Wi-Fi. Handles transmission medium, signal modulation, and connection establishment or termination. Data link layer, which provides reliable transmission for data frames between adjacent nodes, ensures error detection and correction using mechanisms like cyclic redundancy, that is CRC check. Example, Ethernet token ring and protocols like HDLC and LAPD handles frame synchronization, flow control and medium axis control, that is MAC. Network layer determines logical addressing, that is IP address, and path finding for data packets, which routes packets across multiple networks and handles packet fragmentation and reassembly. Protocols include IP Internet Protocol and ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol. Ensures that packet reach their destination through the best possible path. Next is transport layer, provides end-to-end communication between hosts, ensuring reliable data transfer. Handles segmentation, flow control, error detection and retransmission of lost data. Protocols are TCP UDP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. Manages connection establishment, maintenance and termination. Session layer manages and controls the session between computers, responsible for setting up, managing and tearing down communication sessions. Supports dialog control, synchronization and token management for critical operations. Example, remote login sessions. Next is presentation layer, which translates data between application and network formats. Data encoding and encryption ensures that data from the application layer is formulated in a way that the receiving system can understand. Functions include data compression, encryption, decryption, and format translation. Example, JPEG, that is image compression, and ASCII characters encoding. Next is the last layer, that is application layer. The layer which is closest to the users, which provides services such as file transfer, email and remote login. Facilitates communication between software applications and lower layer of the OS model. Example, DNS, HTTP, FTP, SMTP and SSH. Ensures that communication patterns are identified, authenticated and that data is presented in readable format. Let's see benefit of the OSI model. Benefits are compatibility, easy troubleshooting, clarity and understanding, security and extendability. Compatibility, that a OSI model allows different types of hardware and software from various manufacturers to interoperate efficiently. Easy troubleshooting, by dividing communication functions into distinct layers, issue can be isolated and resolved within individual layers. Clarity and understanding, the layer structure make it easy to understand network functions, process and the development of new technologies. Security, the model includes provisions for encryption and decryption at various layers, enhancing the security of data transmission. Extendability, this benefits the OSI model is flexible and can be extendable with new technologies or protocols without affecting other layers. Let's see conclusion. OSI model provides a robust framework for understanding network communication by dividing complex networking tasks into 7 manageable layers. It serves a guide for network design, development, and troubleshooting, often clarity and standardization. Although initially intended to replace other standards, The OSI model remains valuable as the conceptual tool for understanding how different systems interact over a network, and its principles continue to influence modern networking technology. Thank you for watching this video.